guys, Paris here. So today, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be reviewing / doing a tutorial on the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette. I'm matching. I wore my lemon dress to match the lemon packaging. This is so cute. Like, I love Adelaine Morin. She's my favorite YouTubers. I did a makeup tutorial, like following a makeup tutorial like a while ago, and I followed her tutorial. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So this kind of reminds me of the Aspen Ovard palette. I actually have it, hold on. So the Aspen Ovard palette is also a YouTuber, so we're gonna kind of compare these two. So obviously the package is completely different. This one's reflective and is like a metal, and then this Adeline's is cardboard, I think, something like that. And then on the inside it has this little paper, which is cute. So this is what the inside of the Adelaine Morin palette looks like. I just put this here so that you guys don't get the reflection of my mirror. And so it has a cheek, or a blush, a highlight, and 9 eyeshadow colors. And then for the Aspen Ovard palette, it has blush, highlight, and 9 eyeshadow palettes. So I think that's cool. I mean, I guess, I don't know, that they both have that. Oh, I was gonna use the blush and highlight for this, but I forgot. Anyways, I already have primed, I guess, my eyelids. I just put foundation and concealer and powder on them. So yeah, we're just gonna start with my Moda angled fluffy brush. I'm gonna take Adeline's and just put that all over the eye, more so as a base, because it's just a really nice neutral. Then with the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, I'm going to take Girls Supporting Girls and put that like a little bit like on my crease, and then like a little bit above it. Colored eyeshadows are a lot harder to blend out, so you really need to take your time with it. Next, I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm going to I'm going to be dipping into a Boss Lady and putting that directly in the crease, and then blending upwards. I'm going to take that yellow again and just blend at the top of it, because the yellow just kind of got covered up, and just help blend those two together. I'm gonna attempt to do a half cut crease. Don't really know how well it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna take some sharp shape tape and just put that on the back of my hand. And let's hope I don't ruin the look. So. I'm telling you, I'm not good at half cut creases, or like cut creases in general. I mean, I guess it's not bad. We're just gonna do that for now. Okay. Now we're gonna take Law, or actually, yeah, we'll just take Law of Attraction and just pack it on. I'm gonna take some setting spray help pick up the glitter more. Then I'm just gonna kind of blend it out. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, now I'm gonna take Beautiful and Magical and just lightly kind of put it at the end of the glitter where it like ends to kind of try to blend it together with the shadow. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take Promise Ring and just kind of go over right in the middle of my eye. Highlight it a little. I'm going to do the other eye off camera just so that I can relax and take my time. Now I'm going to plop Promise Ring into the inner corners. And then with my Sephora Precision Shadow brush, I'm going to take Boss Lady and just put it under my eye. And then go into Girls Supporting Girls and blend those two together. Should I try to do eyeliner? I really don't want to ruin it even more than I did, but I'll try for you guys.
Hi! Are you filming?
Yeah.
Girl! Sorry. Hi, guys. No, you guys can't come in. Hey.
Speaker's working out here.
Did Riker say hi already?
There's lemons.
This look is cute. You're getting really good. Wow.
Come on, baby.
Adeline
Let them be for a
Morin.
little bit, okay?
You got it! Oh my gosh, your dress! I want to expose you. She's not even wearing the dress. Smells good.
Oh, it's that.
I don't. Wow, this lighting's good. I'm not even wearing makeup.
Are you good at doing eyeliner on other people?
Let's see. I think I can do it.
Here you go.
Oh, your mom cut my hair.
Cut it?
Yeah, just like a little trim. Okay, let's see. You tell me.
Only the end part.
You can fix it.
I am. Okay. I'm just gonna stop there so that I don't make it worse. But now we are going to do lips. I'm just gonna pop on a little more chapstick. To prep my lips. I'm gonna use these two lips because I want to make it lighter. Now I'm gonna add my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. Last step.
Wait.
Can you
Put
put
mascara on?
Can you put mascara on?
Okay, ready, Riker? You have to be quiet.
Okay.
mascara.
Yeah, I just said, did you do mascara? I literally was like, you have no.
I like looked in the mirror and I was like, okay, not last step, mascara now. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. The question of the day is right here.
Bada bada.
Bada bada.
Yeah, bye.